My name na Okafor Chidinma.
All right.
Yes, sir.
How come you dey bear Okafor, you dey bear Modupe? Are you waka?
Na my mama, my parents sha like the name, so both of them are sha Igbo.
Okay.
But they just give me and my siblings Yoruba name join.
Now it's supposed to be. Say we love everywhere for this country. All right. So people want to know what it be crotcheting, eh? Tell them what it be crotcheting.
Okay. Well, good morning, my people. For those of us who go the one that say wetin be crotcheting. Crotcheting na when you dey use this yarn, this wool, where children they use plait hair. Those days, now we they use now, they make clothes. So people they use now make clothes, make bag, make cap. Nothing now where you know if you use that wool they make.
Yeah.
So now be that crocheting, go now be that thing.
Okay. So now that year they call her knitting for pidgin, say you knit. You understand with knitting, pin and wool and all of all that, right?
Yes.
Now this lady one day here, she's a proper Nigerian. You don't hear from the east, but mixed up here in the west. So they will give her a Yoruba name. I love that mixture. From Lagos, now she take hammer Guinness World Book. When she come be say they come now for the whole full wide world there. Say she puts in for the contest. Say, come on, I want to be for the whole world though. When I hear Guinness World Book for the whole world, not be say for only Lagos, I say local chapel for say only Nigeria. The whole world. Now she be number one when it comes to crocheting. Why? Because she do it for how many hours?
For 72 hours.
You not stop?
No, you not stop. Although for that crocheting, every 1 hour na 5 minutes break.
Yeah.
So every 1 hour you just get 5 minutes break. So now so it be.
For every even when Hilda be wetin be her name when cook dey do am, she dey get 5 minutes break, carry and come back. But again, it is not say at a stretch she dey run am for 72 hours. Wetin make you think about this kind of thing before?
Okay, the thing be say, like when I tell people before, say I dey work before for bank.
Oh, for bank?
Yes, I dey work for bank before.
Wow.
But later on, when I come dey check everything, the expenses.
Yeah.
At the end of the month, even they carry me, talk more of say, okay, my stretch and share for other people with surround me.
Yeah.
So me say I can't tire because just be like say I just dey go work but nothing to save up for.
Yeah.
So I can't say okay, make I quickly focus on myself, find wetin I fit do.
Yeah.
So I can't later say okay, make I can't start this crocheting. Even that way I want start, easy because everybody self they tell me say this make sense.
Yeah.
Say how I go take stop a whole bank job.
Yeah.
Can't say I won't go do crocheting.
Yeah.
But me, I just decide for my mind say now this thing I go do.
Wow.
And so I just start them. Then make sense. So for months, I never say 3 months I don't get customer, but they do cap, they showcase. Just they dance my team for TikTok.
Yeah.
So from there, I can't get one contract one time where be say. In fact, that contract where I get shocked me myself.
Wow.
I come from there, save up again. Before I can't say, okay. And when I start this crochet now, about 20,000 naira I used to take start.
Okay. Wait. Mona, she start with 20,000. Why for you we go say make una guess women start with small one. Una go dey cross us say you are looking for 150,000, 1 million. Una dey yes small. Oh, small big gist.
Yes.
Young girl when they work for bank, it cost her with 20K. See that for there, would they hear you?
Okay, so I can't start with that money. So I can't use and take start the crocheting business.
Yeah.
So and the funniest thing is say when I stop this bank job, may I be honest, I don't tell my parents say I don't even stop.
Yeah.
Because I know what make they come they feel bad for me or pity me or feel say I go take survive.
Yeah.
So me I dey like challenges. So I just take them up upon myself, just they do my thing like that, So until when I start the business now, I can't they do small cap. Before I can't. And one thing be say if person no start something, no gonna say all that talent they inside. Now so I take start. Before I find out say even from cap, I can't say I they do shoe. I dey do gown.
Are you serious?
Yes, not the one I know fit do. But
Go
before I don't even know say I fit do all this thing. Me I dey look say na only cap I go fit do or children, baby shoe.
Yeah.
But all of a sudden I find out say even adult own I can't dey do am like. In fact, I was even surprised say all these things dey inside of me. Yeah. But now because say I start am, now it make me fit see all these things wey come dey. Now so I can't step before I can't say okay, I won't do this Guinness World Record.
Okay.
Yes, because I noticed say this crocheting, no, like it dey, but it rare, and people no too know am.
Yeah.
So I can't say okay, I want start this crocheting. I won't go for this Guinness World Record.
Yeah.
I can't check who don't do one before. Now one white woman for USA.
Okay.
Alexandra Hayden, and she do that for 34 hours.
34 hours.
Yes. So I can't say, okay, make I do 72 hours, which is 3 days.
3 days.
Yes, and I do am during that Christmas period. Maybe say everybody they enjoy.
groove.
Yes.
One of the year word now. That Christmas people when say young girls they find zaddy, sugar zaddy. They go for that. They find who go buy phone for them, who go buy Android, who go buy clothes for them for Christmas. See a human be thinking. See they think say man she want break record
out of the box.
Fire that baby.
So that's why I can't take apply. And another thing I go see talk we say if sometimes we dey do something, no be everything we dey open mouth they talk. Because some people go discourage you. When I apply for that Guinness World, I don't even tell anybody.
You see?
Even my own mama, I no mention them. I just do am low key say make I first wait, make they approve me before I go come do the thing. Now when I can't get my email from Guinness World say I should go ahead. Now I can't inform my family. They even they shocked. Say this thing no go too far. You sure about this thing? No say everybody go dey fear. Say maybe no go
break down
or even go disgrace the family name. Now I say no worry, say I go do am because I don't try 24 hours before why I do am. So I can't say I go fit do 3 hours.
You sure?
Wow.
You fit do 3 days.
You very react with 3 days first.
I fit react with 24 hours. Yes.
Okay, I like that.
So I can't say I fit do the 3 days. Yes. That's why I can't take when I get the email, I can't go get all the things where I go need, find where I go fit use, do the
3 days.
The 3 days, yes. I can't find try find support from different people. So although it's not easy, but we shall thank God. Say everything.
So that means you no sleep?
No, I no sleep.
You eat, Sha?
For 3 days.
Within the 5 minutes, you put anything. 5 minutes for your 1 hour break. You put anything for mouth?
I'm mostly fruits.
Okay.
Wow.
Yes.
And you just they walk, they go.
Yes.
So in the end, everything when you produce for that 3 days, what did you take them to do?
What I produced that 3 days was a dinner gown.
Okay.
Now I produced for that 3 days a very flowing dinner gown.
Yeah.
For that 3 days now I make.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
So how Guinness World Record could take confirm?
Okay, and when I don't finish, I'll not. It take like 6 months.
Are you serious?
Yes, before they confirm. Because when you finish, you go submit all the videos for that 3 days to them. Yes, you go submit them. Yeah. So I submit the videos, everything. Can't wait for that 6 months. Me said that I even they worried because then I can't see some people. One girl for Ghana where they say she cook, but Guinness no approve. Can't they fear say she my own don't get problem like this.
Okay.
Why just they see the hope. But that no mean say I can't continue for my crochet thing. Me I continue. Yeah. Because even when TVC then come interview me say what's the way forward, I said even that I dey wait for this certificate no mean say I no go continue for my career. Say now this thing I love. So I go continue till the certificate go come out. So I continue like that. I no wait. I just continue.
Okay, so when the certificate go come out, how you feel that day?
In fact,
they send now come Lagos abi how you waka?
No, the certificate now you go apply for them to send that. But once they approve am, go just their website. You go apply for a certificate. Yes. Even that day where they even approve me, I no even know. I just go on WhatsApp that they check my friend there, one of my street friend like that from my parents' side. I just check in status. Can't see where she uploads my stuff from Guinness World where it's from their page. I can't say no be me be this. I can't go check my email. Now there I can't say Guinness even message me, congratulate me.
Are you serious?
Honestly, now from our page I even know say I don't even win the thing.
Okay, so money day for the matter. No, I don't ask you how much. Anything like money.
But any reward or something.
Or anything. Apart from the certificate.
From Guinness World, they don't give anything. The only thing about that Guinness World be say it will give you awareness. Then bring also endorsement, which by God's grace, I don't get one endorsement. Yes. The company that is Yeye Wu will support me that period for my Guinness World because they really support me. I don't go lie.
And they supply you the wool.
Yes, for free. They give me the wool while I use that they work for their company Yeye Wu. So now then supply me. So after the whole thing, now so they just once the thing come out like this, they just call me, make me their brand ambassador. Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, you know why we bring our number one to support our own in Nigeria.
Yes.
Number two, a young girl, not vessel. Make I ask you, how old are you?
I'm 31.
Oh God, 31. Some of them don't know what to do with in their life.
At all.
Some of them still get mugu 1, mugu 2, mugu 3 for their phone. This one not get any mugu.
You don't
She
get
focus.
mugu. You don't get
31. Well, now yes, now like I told number one, we brought her here so that maybe we encourage our own Nigeria.
Yes.
Number two, a young lady. Number three, make she inspire you when they listen to us now. You when be Jay-Z, when be say when I get big phone.
We don't know where they go. We don't know where they come.
And post nonsense for your for your platform. But look at her now. This she get focused.
Chook mouth. Wazobia 95.1